With a top speed of 242 miles per hour, peregrine falcon is the fastest living creature on Earth. It is a most common bird of prey that found in every continent except Antarctica. The adult peregrine falcon has long pointed wings with powerful muscles. It gives them exceptional speed in flight. The stiff feathers on their wings also avoid chances of drag by the wind. The peregrine falcons display a spectacular stoop while hunting. They dive upon small birds from high. Normally the strike from peregrine falcons can kill its prey in no time due to the astonishing speed of dive. Unlike other birds, the peregrine falcons have a strong heart and highly efficient lungs, so that their body gets enough oxygen supply even at the great speed they achieve during a dive. Golden eagle is the largest raptor in North America. This powerful eagle has a length between 26 to 40 inches and weigh up to 7 kilograms. Golden eagles also have a wingspan 2.3 meters. They dive upon their prey from the great heights. During a dive, golden eagles can reach a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour. GYRFALCONs are known for their high-speed dive and long pointed wings. GYRFALCONs are the largest falcon in the world. They can have a length between 20 to 24 inches and weight up to 1.3 kilograms. They dive steeply to catch the prey from great heights. During a dive, a GYRFALCON could reach a maximum speed of 130 miles per hour. GYRFALCONs also has exceptional control over their speedy dive.